Some people out there asking for a friend who may already have flights and hotels booked. It's a pretty chaotic scene out there, Abhishek. But does it matter to the oil markets, or is it really just a sideshow, this sort of internecine OPEC warfare?
No, this really matters, actually, this time around. We know the markets are not balanced once again, and this time it's not because of supply, it's because of demand. So this meeting is quite crucial in many ways for OPEC to give out the right message ahead of time. No matter what the G20 outcome is, they really need to give out a strong positive message and of solidarity as well at this point. And the optics around the current playing around with the dates is not necessarily working in favor of oil, to be honest.
I want to lay it out for our viewers, because a lot of our viewers, they go to business conferences all the time. It doesn't matter the industry. Imagine if 1 week from today, you're scheduled to go to a conference that's been on the books for a year, basically, that has 500 to 1,000 attendees, but for the last 2 weeks, you don't know if the conference is actually going to take place on that day. It's maddening, it's frustrating, and it makes OPEC look a little weak, to be honest.
It does. Actually, there's two things about it that makes them look a little bit not just weak, but also the thing is that currently markets are looking for that, as I mentioned, the message of solidarity, that OPEC Plus is going to stand together, especially when the demand is starting to falter. That is clearly not seen right now, especially with no support so far from Iran in agreeing with the dates with other members. But additionally, I can see from the other side as well that OPEC is agreeing to dates which are more okay with, let's say, Russia, which is outside of OPEC group of members. So it's a bit of it's a bit strange at this point to see how they're not agreed. But at the same time, as I said, from optics perspective, this is not looking great.